This is the Holtzman Gorilla Survival folding knife. This is the larger version. Comes in G10 scales. You got your orange liners right there. Red liners, orange. You got your lanyard hole. It's a deep pocket carry. Yeah, you got your Gorilla cutout right there. Nice flipping action. Very smooth. It's kind of a reverse Tonto shaped blade. Made out of D2 steel with a black finish. G10 scales. I got medium sized hands. It's a great size folder. Great everyday carry. Nice smooth action. Another great Holtzman Gorilla Survival folding knife.